Hi guys, so maglalaro tayo ng Natural Disaster and I'm so kinakabahan kasi natalo ako last round and hindi ko siya na-record pero ayun. Anyway, let's go. Upstairs, you know. Joke. Ay! Yan na. Sana all survivor. Ako hindi ako nakasurvive. At pusan ka lang na hindi ako makaakyat. Oh my god. OMG. Ay! Not really a pro player, but yeah. Jump. Wait lang. Sandali. Next map, Launchland. Okay, this is my first time, so I don't know the map. Anyways, oh my god, we're here, guys. We arrived at our destination. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna go because we need to. I need to go up there, please. There. Ay, may isa pa. Kala ko wala na. Ay, parang ano naman. Ito parang gulo ko na ito eh. Uy, sana ko nakaakyat na. Hindi pa. Oh my god. Thunder. Uy. Avoid high and open places. Buti talaga daw sa baba ako, guys. Pahulog tayo, guys. Tayo lang tayo, guys. Para short. Pero dito ako. Kasi, ayun. Ay, may baba pa. Oh, no. What the ming? Guys, it's having a snow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is sore. Uy. Grabe ba? Uy, oh my god, we survived. Joke. Hindi ba? Ang gano'n. Ito, saan ka na? Ayoko lalabas sana ako. Hindi, I saw that. Oh my god. Okay. Yay, we are survived. Yo, we survived, guys. OMG. No, my god. Tignan niyo yung energy ko, guys. It's 3. Oh, 3? Parang ano na yun. Okay, let's go, you know. Mammoth Mansion, okay. Oh, I see it na, guys. Bid, padala nyo na kami dun. Ayan, we're here. We arrived at our new destination. Mag-jump tayo para shortcut. Jump again. Perfect. It's a shortcut, guys. Let's go. Wait, where do I? Okay. So we are inside, guys. And what is this? Oh, the bedroom. Dito na ako, guys. Kasi alam niya yun. Wait lang. Punta tayo dito, guys. I'm really not... Michael Jackson? Anyways, let's go here. Ooh. Okay. Blizzard. Yay, we are inside the shelter, guys. OMG. God. We are just sitting here. Y'all know. guys. What? Never! Sabi nila stay warm, so upo tayo. Kasi, ayun, warm ang... Ouch. So, yan ang avatar ko, guys. Yan ang avatar ko for today's video. Ito na yung avatar. Cozy. Hindi ko ba ito magtatagal? Okay, guys. So, puno na yung storage. Bye.